देश बदल रहा है, पर बदलाव देश के अंदर नहीं बस समय में आया है। आजादी को 75 साल बीत गए, पर आज भी जाति और धर्म का भेद मिट ना पाया है। इस देश में आज भी पीरियड्स को बीमारी माना जाता है, वहीं बेगैरत सोच वाले लोगों को यूं खुलेआम सड़क पर छोड़ दिया जाता है और एक बार फिर से हकीकत और फसाने के बीच वो विकास जो चाहिए था छूट जाता है। Honorable Chair, distinguished delegate, a nation it's not become developed when it's announced it. It become developed when its people begin feel it. Yes, we often say Viksit Bharat with a great confidence in our speeches, in our slogans, in our banners. But before announcing or asking how fast we are developing, we need to ask how and what exactly we are developing. Yes, because in a developed nation, roads do not just shine, they lead somewhere. Digital India does not merely count downloads, it's count dignity. And progress is not measured by how loudly we are talking about our future, but how responsibility we are taking care of our present. Yes, we are saying that India is rising in GDP, in global forum, in ambition. But tell me, Honorable Chair, can a nation truly rise if its questions are asked in whisper and its answer get delivered in slogans? No. We speak about the smart cities while many of us are struggling to get basic services. We are talking about demographic dividend while our youth are educated enough to dream but unemployment enough to lose those dreams. We are talking about digital empowerment while sometimes truth itself struggle to get network connection. This is not criticism. This is just a conversation because real patriotism does not clap blindly, it cares deeply. Yes, despite this much progress, many children still not complete secondary education. Indians celebrate its youth as a strength, yet those youth unemployment remains significant high. They are losing those hopes, losing their dreams. With that, LGBTQI citizens face exclusion in social and economic space. I accept the fact that rights may exist on the paper, but respect does not always exist in practice. Honorable Chair, a Viksit Bharat is not a nation where problems disappear. It's a nation where problems are acknowledged without fear and delay. Development is not about the absence of poverty alone, but the presence of justice, not in the speed of growth, but direction of growth. Honorable Chair, a truly developed India will not need to declare itself developed. It will be failed in fairness and opportunity and the confidence in the people. This is the Viksit Bharat model. Thank you.